Welcome to the learning on Lean Six Sigma for champions and emerging business leaders. So the contents what we have in front of us is an overview on Lean Six Sigma, define, measure, analyze, improve, control. So that's the topic for in front of us. So let us focus on the overview on Lean Six Sigma. So it's the chapter 1, Lean Six Sigma overview. This module is ideal for anyone responsible for helping define projects within an organization. The module defines different types of methodologies and the types of projects for each methodology is best suited for. The methodologies covered include Lean, Lean Six Sigma, Just Do It, Design for Lean Six Sigma, and Innovation. So what is Lean Six Sigma? So let us look at it as 2 P's. Lean plus Six Sigma is equal to Lean Six Sigma. So Lean focuses on waste reduction by streamlining a process. Six Sigma focuses on preventing defects through problem solving. It also means the reduction of defects. The combination and something common for both Lean and Six Sigma is reduction of variations. Now summing up the two becomes Lean Six Sigma. Lean strengthens Six Sigma. Problem solving plus improving processes delivers greater results. So objectives, basically broad objectives in the overview module is at the end of this module, you will be able to describe Lean, describe Six Sigma, describe the similarities as well as keep the similarities as well as the differences between Lean and Six Sigma. The synergy between Lean Six Sigma approach methodologies, we will be able to list the deliverables of they make for the project journey. Give you one homework which you need not answer right away. Why Lean Six Sigma for my business and for my personally? You can have indefinite notes on this, a descriptive notes on this, illustrative or point wise bullets, and keep it as a personal note for you. Probably when we meet next time or in any other periodic reviews, maybe we will exchange notes and take a look at it. And I tell you, every time you keep writing this, you will end up in refining. A lot of refinements goes through that. So I would leave it rather than giving you an instruction or lecture on this. I would suggest you to have your own self-created notes. So Lean and Six Sigma. The first thing comes into the Lean is a one-piece flow. Generally, we understand manufacturing is generally done in multiple batches. The idea of the batch system came into existence because every time you start doing a single piece production from the olden days, the setup time for different subsequent processes used to be a longer one. So doing a manufacturing for 10 piece, batches of 10 piece, 25 pieces or gross or hundreds is very, very normal. So from that concept of bulk batch manufacture, the emphasis in Lean Six Sigma Lean system is to gradually go into a system of one piece flow. The single piece flow can be described as an ideal state of an efficient process operations where the batch sizes and the lot production are replaced by working on one single product at a time. While not practical for operations where you have low process times or the individual step process time and correspondingly high changeover times, both values defined by takt time. We'll come to takt time later. It is nevertheless a lean manufacturing goal to achieve a single piece flow in every operation possible. So that is the objective, and in the single piece flow, as we have learned, that you are eliminating the setup times, multiple setup times. The other side of it is Six Sigma reduces product variations and continuously it is on the pursuit of eliminating defects. The pictorial illustration is showing you two bell curves, one which is having very steep and other one which is very shallow. Before the improvement, we see that there is a very shallow curve which has got a lot of variations, and the shaded portion is the portion which exceeds the critical customer requirement limits. Now in the after stage, we find that all the probable distribution points are well within the customer requirement limits. Some of the tools we use in Lean and some of the tools what we use in Six Sigma. You can have a comparative look at it. In Lean, we look at tools like standard work metric, balanced workloads, waste reduction, quick changeovers, visual factory, eliminate search, reduce non-value added work, pull for flow, Kanban. Now, Six Sigma tools what you use to reduce the variations and defects are majorly measurement system analysis, operational definition, identify sources of variation, SPC charts that exposes the special cost variations in the system, process, and gradually looking at the whole process output or outcome as a function of X that brings clarity of the excess and priority excess. Another way of looking at it is Six Sigma tools to improve the flow. The improving roll throughput yield and process FMEA exposes high potential causes. The lean tools that helps to reduce variations and defects are Pokoyoki mistake proofing, 5S Toyota productive maintenance. The commonalities between Lean and Six Sigma are Lean tools to improve process flow are Y as a function of X concept is the another one. For instance, Y the customer satisfaction in this case is a function of X1, X2, X3, X4, X5, where X1 is the correct response to the customer queries, X2 is the first time resolution leading to a call only once by the customer, X3 is the friendly person to the other end, better customer experience, competency of the supporting associate is the X4, X5 is the timely response for the QRC. QRC means query resolution complaints. These are the type of calls, where Y is the output metric which is the critical to quality and X's are the causes affecting Y. So this is one way of looking at as a concept. Y is equal to function of X.